Is your old age actually just a hidden mineral deficiency? You feel tired, your muscles ache, and you can't sleep at night. You think it's just part of getting older, but you are likely wrong. Scientists call it the silent crisis of the 21st century. Today, I will show you how to fix your energy and your health. It all starts with one missing mineral your body is starving for. Let's unlock the secret to feeling young again. Magnesium is the master spark plug for your entire body. It is responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions inside you. Without it, your heart, muscles, and brain simply cannot function. But here is the scary truth for those over the age of 60. Even if you eat healthy foods, your body might be starving. A study in the Open Heart Journal warns about subclinical magnesium deficiency. It suggests that most people in modern society are running on empty. As we age, our gut becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients. This is often caused by a natural decline in stomach acid levels. Without enough acid, magnesium stays locked inside your food. It simply passes through your system without ever entering your blood. Common medications for heartburn can also block this vital mineral. If you take proton pump inhibitors, your magnesium levels may crash. Look closely at your body for the early warning signs. Do you experience sudden cramps in your legs during the night? Are you struggling with a racing heart or unexplained anxiety? Maybe you feel a strange tingling sensation in your hands and feet. These are not just signs of aging that you must accept. These are emergency signals from your nervous system. According to the National Institutes of Health, low magnesium leads to chronic fatigue. It can even make your bones brittle and your blood pressure rise. Your body is desperate for this mineral to repair itself. If you ignore these signs, the silent crises will only get worse. But don't worry. The solution is hidden in your kitchen and lifestyle. Understanding the problem is the first step toward a total recovery. Nature has already provided the perfect cure for this mineral crisis. You don't need expensive pills to start feeling better today. The most powerful sources of magnesium are often hidden in plain sight. Think of dark leafy green vegetables as your primary medicine. Spinach and Swiss chard are loaded with bioavailable magnesium. 1 cup of cooked spinach can provide nearly 40% of your daily needs. According to research in the Journal of Nutrients, plants are the safest source. But there is a secret to getting the most out of these greens. Try lightly steaming your vegetables instead of boiling them for too long. This preserves the minerals so your body can actually use them. Next, look at the power of seeds and nuts for a quick energy boost. Pumpkin seeds are a magnesium superfood for anyone over 60. Just a small handful contains more magnesium than many supplements. Almonds and cashews are also excellent tools for muscle repair. If you enjoy fruit, reach for a ripe banana or a fresh avocado. Avocados are unique because they provide healthy fats and minerals together. These healthy fats help your gut lining absorb nutrients more effectively. For a sweet treat, a small piece of dark chocolate can also help. Make sure it is at least 70% cocoa for the best results. Another vital secret is the mineral soak technique. Taking a warm bath with Epsom salts allows magnesium to enter through your skin. This bypasses a weak digestive system and relaxes your muscles instantly. Even the water you drink can be a source of life-saving minerals. Look for hard water or mineral water that contains natural magnesium. By changing what you eat, you are feeding your cells exactly what they crave. Fixing your magnesium levels is not just about what you eat. How you move your body plays a critical role in mineral balance. Gentle exercise helps circulate magnesium to your tired muscles. Try a 15-minute digestive walk after your largest meal. This light movement stimulates your gut to work more efficiently. Yoga and deep breathing are also powerful tools for your recovery. High stress levels actually cause your body to flush out magnesium. When you relax, your body holds on to this precious mineral longer. The Journal of Clinical Medicine links lower stress to better mineral retention. Now, let's talk about the right way to use supplements. Never start a supplement without consulting your trusted doctor first. If your levels are very low, look for magnesium glycinate. This form is very gentle on the stomach and easy to absorb. Avoid magnesium oxide, as it often causes digestive upset and waste. Timing is also a secret weapon for better results. Take your magnesium shortly before bed to improve your sleep quality. It helps calm your nervous system for a deeper, restorative rest. Be careful not to take it at the same time as calcium. These two minerals compete for the same doorway into your blood. Space them out by at least 2 hours for maximum benefit. Remember to stay hydrated with clean, filtered water every day. Dehydration can make a mineral deficiency feel much worse. Consistency is the most important part of this wellness journey. Small changes in your daily routine lead to massive health results. Your body has an amazing ability to heal if you give it the right tools. Start today, and you will feel the difference in your energy tomorrow. Your health is your greatest wealth, especially after 60. Don't let a silent deficiency steal your energy and joy. Try these simple kitchen fixes and feel the difference yourself. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast for more natural health secrets. Which magnesium-rich food will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.